guys, it's Gus. Saturday afternoon after work. Actually, it's probably close to 5 o'clock now. Taking a little spin. Mark having fun with his new toy. Fucker. Thanks for spraying me. Yeah. So we had about 10 centimeters of snow last night. So the trails are pretty slick because there's ice underneath from the melt. Shit, my coat ain't up all the way. Gotta zip that. Let me tell you, you feel that cold air going down your... And they're calling for more snow tomorrow. Jesus. Just wondering if mind you, it's only March. Just wondering how long it's going to be till we can... We're going down the power lines. Hopefully we don't go through because this is pretty I don't know how much dirt there is here, how much snow. The sleds are going there. I don't know where this is going, to be honest with you. It's hard to see. It's hard to see anything. I don't know where the fucking trail is. I don't see the trail. Well, there you go. Well, I'm not going to go any further than this. She's starting to sink in.